12 powerful psychological tricks for everyday life. 1. Pause power. In a discussion or meeting, pause for a few seconds. The other person will often expand on their point and sometimes even get tangled in their own words. 2. Using names repeatedly. Use the person's name while talking. It instantly makes them feel closer and more comfortable. 3. Choice control. Instead of giving just one option, offer two, both in your favor. Example: would you like to do this task today or by tomorrow afternoon? 4. The silent smile technique. If someone speaks to you angrily, a slight smile and steady eye contact can soften the intensity of their words. 5. Foot in the door technique. Ask for a small favor first, then a bigger one. People often say yes to the second because they already agreed to the first. 6. Speak slowly and clearly. When you speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence, people perceive you as more intelligent and trustworthy. 7. Mirroring. Subtly copy the other person's body language or tone. It signals to their brain, "This person is like me," increasing trust. 8. Silence pressure. Ask a question, then remain silent. The other person will likely speak more and may reveal extra information. 9. Eye contact plus nod. While listening, maintain eye contact and nod slightly. It encourages the other person to keep talking. 10. Handing something over. Handing someone an object, pen, paper, etc. subtly increases their engagement and attention. 11. Pause before key point. Pause briefly before saying something important. It prepares the listener mentally and makes your words more impactful. 12. Scarcity effect. People value things more when they're scarce.